Good morning, students. We are doing our chapter 11, basic geometrical concept, and today we discuss the basic geometrical concept about circle, and circles basic concept we will learn here. So what is, first of all we will learn first is circle and what are its parts. Okay, now what is circle? A circle is a combination of infinite many points which are equidistant from a given points. This is called circle. Means one point is given to you. This is called the center of circle, and all the equidistant point from this point, this center is known as circle. The combination of this. So our circle is like this. This is your circle. Okay, and there are infinite many points lie on this circle which is equidistant from the given point. So, and the given point is called center, and this boundary, this the combination of all the points is known as circumference. This is known as circumference of a circle. And if we join this center to any of the points on the circumference, this line is known as radius. This line is known as radius and denoted by r. This is denoted by r. Okay, and if we join any 2 points of the circle, this part is known as chord. This part is known as chord of a circle, and this you can say name this AB, and this one, this part is called your arc, minor arc. There are 2 types of arc is there, minor and major. This is your minor arc, and this denoted by ACB. Okay, and this portion is your major arc. Okay, if this is point C, then this knot is major arc, and it can be written as A, this one is D, ADB. This is your major arc. Okay, so and the area enclosed between the chord and the circle is, or you can say chord and the arc is segment. This is known as segment. There are 2 types of segment also. This is minor segment and this is major segment. We can draw a different figure also. This is your minor segment and this is your major segment, right? And if we join 2 radii, that means like this. This portion is known as sector. This is known as sector, and this one is your minor segment and this is your major. Major is bada, major sector. Area enclosed by 2 radii and the circle is known as sector, and this is your minor sector because this is a smaller part of the circle, and this is your major sector because this is the larger part of the circle. Okay, now there are infinite many chords in a circle. Okay, and the longest chord which passes through the center is known as diameter. This is the longest chord of the circle and denoted by D, and this also twice of the radii, because this formed by joining two radii, that is this is the radius of the circle and this is also radius of the circle, and we join these two radii and we obtained our diameter. Okay, so diameter is the twice of the radius and this is the longest chord of the circle. Okay, only this is the basic of your circle. Now if we talk about the exterior part of the circle, is this is the circle. Okay, and the area enclosed by the circumference and the point lie between this. This is the interior of the circle. What is this? Interior of circle, and this is exterior. Okay, and if any point lying on the boundary, this is on circle. Okay, so our given surface is divided by the circle in three parts: interior of the circle, exterior of the circle, and on the circle. So these are the basic concept which we we discussed today about the circle. If we talk about their formulas, what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. And if we have to find out the area enclosed between this boundary, this is the area of circle, and this formula is pi r square, and the value of pi is, the standard value is 22/7, and r is your radius. In this way you can find your radius. Okay, हो गया हमारे पास, आर्क भी हो गया, मेजर आर्क, माइनर आर्क. ठीक है, so this is the basic concept about the circle.